So how do we read that strong jobs report? Fed said it means he could go higher than the peak rate that the market's priced in.
Yes, I think the seasonals everyone has discussed are probably tricky in January. We may get a better sense in February of how strong the job market is. But look, it's a very strong job market. Openings are up, unemployment at a 60-year low, so you can't deny it. Maybe January a bit of an exaggeration.
Do you guys at PIMCO think, and do you personally think that the inflation is on a one-way ticket lower?
We do think we've seen peak inflation. We think that we will have lower inflation this year. It may not be a straight line. We're getting some good luck now, but a lot's going to depend upon services inflation. Goods inflation is down. Maybe housing inflation starts to fall. But there's a ways to go, I think, before either we or the Fed would say mission accomplished.
So you expect a rate hike in
March.
And then
another one. No, and then another one in May.
Another one in May,
yeah.
Because you just don't think inflation is going to fall fast enough.
I think that they think through their communication in the statement where they said, rate hikes, not rate hike. And then today the chair echoed that. I think they think they're going to hike twice more. And so that'd be my bet right now.
What about toward the end of the year? Then what? Pause or cut?
Well, I think they've indicated, and I believe them, that they want the pause to be a substantial length of time. That being said,
in restrictive territory.
Yeah, in restrictive territory. That said, Sarah, if the inflation data continues to improve, I think towards the end of the year they could be open to considering a cut. And the chair more or less said the same thing. They're data dependent, I think, as we move out further in the year.
What would cause them to cut?
Well, if inflation progress is better than they expect, and they see that it's durable in terms of maybe the labor market's not quite as hot, I think if you add those together, they could be in a situation to consider an ease at the end of this year.